Alright, I'm going to start a YouTube channel called I Hate Handheld How-Tos, because I do. I hate when people do this. The camera work is always so shitty. What are you going to do? Buddy asked me how to do this, so I'm going to post it for everybody to know how to do it. If you have a Toyota Corolla FX, an FX16, an FX16 GTS, Chevy Nova from 1985 to 1988, or any Corolla of that vintage, well, till 1987 for the Corolla. They changed to the AE82 in 1988 in this country. But any of the AE82 based Corollas, this will work on. First, I'm just going to show you a disassembled pod and cluster and dash. This came out of a car recently. The cluster itself just screws in 4 screws. One here, one here, one here, and one here. And then there's the wiring connectors and the speedo connector in the back, which are, once you, yeah, well, they're back there. The gauge pod itself has got 6 points of connection. Let me show them to you here. There's 2 on the bottom edge, 2 under the hood of the pod, and then there's these 2 clips that snip into the back of the dashboard. So it's going to look like that when it's assembled. I am assuming you've disassembled your car to this point. Anyway, if you haven't, too bad. Figure it out. To get it out, you undo the 2 bottom screws, the 2 screws under the hood towards the back, and then you pry the back loose of the clips. It just pops out, and after that, it just comes right off. Then you undo those 4 screws. You should be able to wriggle your hand behind to get out the electrical connectors to the gauge cluster and the little clip on the speedo cable. Be careful of your speedo cable. Those are easy to break, the clips.